Hello, I'm gonna play Arsenal on Roblox because I want to. Or actually, no, let's not play Arsenal. I need to search up Roblox first. See, okay. And don't worry, I don't know how it turned into Yahoo. I just want Google. So, hmm, let's see. Let's play, I don't know, there's too much. Okay, you're just gonna see me grind and Bee Swarm Simulator. Because why not? Why wouldn't you? Okay. Just waiting for it to load now. Did it freeze? Oh god, it's so laggy. Sorry for the lag. I think it's gonna go back down. The lag is gonna go back down. I think. Oh, it froze. Okay, it's back. Okay. It usually happens. So. Oh my god, did every bee just run out of energy? Alright then. Okay. So the quest I'm trying to do is one. I already defeated a king beetle, but I did it before I got the quest. I have to wait another day until I can finish the quest. Gonna give me 800 honey? Serious? Okay, so his feast. I have to yum yum yum, feast feast. Okay, so I'm supposed to play for 20 more minutes until I actually like get to 20 more minutes. Let's see. Okay. But I never get I see bean bugs like all the time, but they were useless. Cause like 1.25. I mean, it is something, but I mean, I'm not a pro, so I wouldn't really care about that. I could summon a honey storm, but I mean, I don't need it. Also, I could reach up to the 30 over there. Let me show you guys. You guys are probably not gonna watch to the end, but either way, at least you clicked on this video. Okay. See, I already got the diamond egg. It's in my inventory right now. Where is it? Where's the diamond egg? Did it not register? What? I swear I got it. Oh no, it doesn't say I have it. Oof. Oh. Yeah, on it, you know, he has some great drawing skills. Even though, leave it down in the comments. How do I get up here? These are like, I tried to jump on this one, it didn't let me. It's like transparent. Okay, let me see if I can get the diamond egg now. No, I think I. Oh wait, what? See, I think I got it. Leave it down in the comments if I can start recording on laptop now. Okay. Let's see. I need to get gummy bee, so if you see me with 812, that's because I'm saving up for gummy bee. Okay. Also, I'm buying like massive amounts of stuff. So I think I can. Yeah. Okay. So now I just need to grind the Strawberry Fields Forever. That quest. Those Blackberry quests are, I mean, yeah, I guess they're kind of good. Sprout. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, I got a gumdrop right there. Gumdrop. Okay. Is going up, up. Okay, I think I could use the red pollen boost again. I need any boost. Any single boost will help. So if I go to blue right now, because I used them today already. If I go to blue, okay, what am I gonna get? Bamboo, okay. Let's go to bamboo. So need it for this quest. It just needs any type of pollen, and I'm halfway. So I'm just gonna grind. You're just gonna watch me grind. I don't know how this is entertaining for some people, but for me this is like kind of entertaining because I'm the one playing it, I'm not watching it. I wish I could use glitter, but I wanna, like, I need all that gummy stuff. The gummy bead, gummy mask, the gummy boots. Yeah, I'm saving for all of that, even though I'm not even close.